It's been more than a week since jury selection began in the trial of former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin, and tonight the court is nearing a full jury.
Nearly 100 potential jurors have now been questioned, and just 2 spots remain after 3 new jurors were seated today. It's a process that has proven to be tedious and challenging, to say the least, all because of the very high-profile nature of this case and also news of that historic $27 million settlement between the city and George Floyd's family. News Nation correspondent Brian Netton following it all live again in Minneapolis for us tonight. Brian.
Rob, it has been a long road, but they have now seated 12 jurors. All that's left is finding 2 alternates. Jury duty can be stressful enough, but imagine showing up to the fortified Minneapolis courthouse surrounded by barricades, barbed wire, and National Guard.
When you got to the government center this morning or earlier today and you saw the fortifications and the army and all of that stuff, what was your reaction to that?
I felt very nervous, even as someone who I knew was required by law to be here. Felt very nervous passing through that.
Nerves and tension are high, especially for the potential jurors. The death of George Floyd sparked so much anger in Minneapolis, it's been difficult finding jurors who can put their feelings aside, and also finding jurors who can give up a month or more of their life for the trial.
I'm a single parent, so I have limited support.
Okay. Well, the jury for deliberations would be sequestered, which means you'd be staying in a hotel till there was a decision made. How would that, as a single parent without a lot of support, what do you think that would do?
I probably wouldn't be able to.
Jurors are paid $20 a day, and some have expressed concern they can't afford to miss work.
In general, people who are self-employed, who aren't being paid by their employer, who do childcare, that kind of thing, have an extremely difficult time being on a jury. $20 won't even cover your parking for the day here. And that means that a large section of our community can't actually financially afford to be on the jury.
Mary Moriarty was the chief public defender in Minneapolis and has been trying cases here for 3 decades. With all the publicity, can you really get a fair jury?
That's a good question. It somewhat depends. You know, each juror is being asked many, many questions about that.
And finding unbiased jurors got even harder after the city of Minneapolis announced a $27 million settlement with the Floyd family during jury selection. 2 jurors had to be dismissed after saying they were swayed by the settlement. The city defended the timing.
With regard to timing in general, there is no good timing to settle any case, particularly one as complex and as involved and sensitive as this.
Okay, and 2 big decisions coming tomorrow from the judge. Number 1, he will decide whether to delay the trial. Right now it is scheduled to start on March 29th. And number 2, the judge expected to decide whether or not George Floyd's 2019 drug arrest will be allowed to be presented to the jury. Live in Minneapolis, Brian Enton, News Nation.